Top 15 facts about Tesla. Let's go. Number 15. In February 2004, Elon Musk led the Series A funding round by joining the board as chairman and later as CEO of Tesla. Number 14. Tesla appointed J.B. Straubel as chief technical officer in 2004. Number 13. Tesla was originally named after Nikola Tesla, the inventor of alternating current. Number 12. Tesla appeared on the front of Time magazine to celebrate his 75th birthday. Number 11. The Tesla Roadster was Tesla's first effort and debuted in 2008. Number 10. Tesla's Roadster was the first production electric car to use lithium-ion battery cells. Number 9. The Model S is Tesla's highest-rated car ever. Number 8. Tesla cars are not only known for how technologically advanced they are but also for their style. Number 7. Tesla currently enjoys incredible success with its electric car production expected to hit 500,000 annually by 2020. Number 6. Tesla is working on creating fully autonomous driving capabilities in its models. Number 5. Tesla built its Giga Factory 3 in China to produce the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y for the Chinese market. Number 4. The Giga Factory 3 aims to produce around 150,000 vehicles a year eventually. Number 3. The Tesla Model X is the safest car tested by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA). Number 2. One of Tesla's most important patents is the one they got on October 13, 2014, for their electric car charging station called superchargers. Number 1. In 2021, Tesla Model S Plaid Plus is the most expensive vehicle the company sells, with a max purchase price of $152,190.